Click the Catalog pane and make sure that the Project tab is selected, showing the contents of the project. Expand the Toolboxes entry. Each project has a special toolbox for storing custom tools created by the user. This one is currently empty. Expand Databases. It shows an icon labeled Crater Lake or craterlake.gdb, the home geodatabase that stores datasets related to this project. Expand the Crater Lake database to see the data inside. Mouse over each dataset to see a description of the data type and note the icon used to show it. In the Catalog pane, expand the Styles entry to view the different symbol styles associated with this project. Expand the Folders entry, which contains shortcuts to data sources used in the project. It currently shows one shortcut, the Crater Lake project folder itself. Use Project Save or the Save icon on the Quick Access menu to save the project. It is smart to save the project periodically.